Welcome to Mid-South Flavor. I'm Jay Malone. Today we're doing corn on the cob on the grill. If this is your first time to the channel and you enjoy cooking, grilling, or pretty much anything food related, then start off by hitting that subscribe button. When you do, tap the little bell icon next to it. That way you won't miss anything. Today we have a favorite of mine. It is corn on the cob on the grill. We're cooking it in the husk. So let's get started. I'll show you how we prepare this corn and what we do with it once we get it on the grill. We're going to start off by taking our ears of corn and just trimming off the silks and any of these other little pieces that are kind of hanging off the husk. You don't have to, it just makes them look a little bit better. Now we're going to soak them for about 30 to 45 minutes. If you don't have anything to put water in, just use a bathtub. And then add about a cup of sugar to this. Just going to make this a little bit of sugar water to soak these ears of corn in. Mix it up with your hands. If you don't have anything else, just be careful, don't slosh too much out on your table like I did. Then just add some ears of corn there. It's kind of pretty simple. You may want to come back and check this occasionally. Just make sure they're kind of soaking down in the water really well. Now I'm going to turn my grill on and turn it up to about 400 degrees. I'm using lumberjack pellets today. Once the grill gets up to temperature, just lay the ears of the corn directly onto the grill grates. You don't have to do anything special here, just get them on your grill. And even though I have it set on 400 degrees, this grill's only getting up to about 368, so about every 15 minutes I'm rotating them a quarter of a turn. If you happen to be grilling this over direct heat, then you might only need to let it go for about 5 minutes before rotating it. And after an hour, these things are ready. We're ready to pull them off here and get the husk off of them. I'm going to use this method here of cutting the opposite end from the silks, the stalk end. I'm just going to cut into the ear of corn, then try to remove the husk that way. And be careful because it's hot. But I think I like this method best. It gets it done pretty good. You do have a little bit of a mess to clean up. The other method is just grab it from the silk end, try peeling it back, but boy, this is very hot, so be careful doing this. Either way, it's hot, but I like the other method better. Once you have it all cleaned up, just cut the stalk end off the ear of corn, and you're good to go. Okay, the corn on the cob is off of the grill. We've already got the shucks off of it, and I've got a piece on a plate here with some pork chops that we made as well, but I'm gonna try it. Here we go. Yeah, it's one of my favorites. I love it. Okay, I zoomed out, that way you couldn't see all of the corn in my teeth. This stuff is good. I highly recommend you trying this. If you want to try a different way to cook corn on the cob on the grill, this is the way to go. I've done it on direct flame grills, and then I've also done it here on this pellet smoker, this pellet grill with indirect heat, and they both turn out great. I really like it. I can't complain about either one of them. I really think you would enjoy this too, so make sure and give it a try. Let me know in the comments, how is your favorite way to fix corn on the cob? I'd like to hear that. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And remember, on the grill or in the kitchen, here in the Mid-South, we do flavor.